Greetings, this is Dr. York-Hammons. I'm going to work question number 15 from the homework for Chapter 2, Section 4. Since there's no way to open the pie chart in statcrunch, we're going to have to type the data in ourselves. So in order to do that, we need to have statcrunch open. So I'm in my course home screen for your elementary statistics online, my stat lab. Click on statcrunch. Go to the statcrunch website and open statcrunch. So this is going to be where statcrunch is for the problem. Now I've already opened the homework problem, question number 15 from Chapter 2, Section 4. Now I haven't typed the frequencies in. This is going to be a similar question to yours, but the numbers are from this chart here in order to I apologize. That is 4, then 11, then 19, then 18, then 17, then 10, and then 5. So this is where you were in the homework. And if I check the answer, it says that's fine. And then it asks me to find the mean. Now, eventually, I'm going to have to find not only mean, but also standard deviation. So I'm going to do both when I do it. When you find the mean for a frequency distribution, you have to know the midpoints. So they gave us the lower and upper limits, and to find midpoints, it's halfway between. So like halfway between 0 and 4 is 2. So if I think of this, my first column as midpoint, the first midpoint is 2. Now the class width goes from 0 to 5. So the next midpoint is going to be 5 more, or 7. The next midpoint will be 12. And then 17. And 17 plus 5 is 22. Plus 5 would be 27. Plus 5 would be 32. Now you notice on this last class it just said 30 plus. But in order to figure the mean, we maintain that increase of 5, the class width. So your last midpoint will be 32 for that class there. Now var2 will be your frequencies, and those were 4, 11, 19, 18, 17, 10, and 5. So to find the mean for this frequency distribution, it's a grouped or binned data. I still go to stat, summary statistics, but it's not in a column this time. It's grouped or binned data because it's in a table. So the bins are the midpoints, and the counts are the frequencies. And the statistics that I want to calculate are mean, and then I'm going to hit my control key, hold my control key down, and click on standard deviation, and I'm just going to do compute. So it says the mean is 16.94, but we only want it to the nearest tenth, so that would be 16.9. Let's check our answer. Good, it's correct. And then the sample standard deviation is 7.78. To the nearest tenth would be 7.8. Let's check that. Says it's correct. Now I realize these numbers are not the same as you have in your homework problem, but the process is the same. Unfortunately, you're going to have to type the midpoints and the frequencies in statcrunch so that you can go through this process. Now if you want to save this to show your work, you download again, save the file, and the folder that it's in, mine's in the download folder, statcrunch session. If I was going to show my work or upload this to show work for a test, I would rename this question 15, little Q15, and then I'd close that out, and I could upload that file to Dropbox. I hope this helps answer your question in a short period of time. Thank you.